Hi, and welcome to Introsoft Solutions video tutorial. My name is Nicholas. In this video, I'll show you how to display business reports in mobile apps using Crosslight reporting services. Crosslight provides a capability to view enterprise reports across multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and Windows Store. You can quickly add reporting feature to your apps since Crosslight has encapsulated all of the functionalities required to display the reports on multiple platforms. Of course, you will need to configure the report server before you can display the report in your mobile apps. Crosslight Reporting Services is built upon the ClientUI reporting to produce identical reports across multiple platforms. With the powerful and sophisticated server-side report rendering, the report will be exported in PDF format, which is widely supported in various desktop and mobile clients. With solid architecture and strong separation of concerns, the reporting services allows you to access all of the rich features available in ClientUI reporting, such as various report type support, data source agnostic, complex data operation, rich report components, pre-built conditional formatting, advanced globalization support, and powerful scripting capability. In order to complete this tutorial, you need to ensure that you have fulfilled the following requirements. Then, you need to configure the report server before you can display the reports in your mobile apps. Next, I will show you how to do so. To run a report server, you need to set up several things, such as adding ClientUI and WPF assembly references, registering the report service handler, preparing the report document, defining report data provider, initializing report exporting service. Okay, let's create a new solution using Microsoft Visual Studio. To keep it more simple, I will use the Crosslight application template. Add a new web application project. It will act as the report server. Add ClientUI reporting assemblies to the web project. And also, don't forget to add WPF related assemblies too, such as presentation core, presentation framework, and Windows base. Next, register the report service handler in the web configuration file. Add a new directory in a web project. Later, all of the report document will be placed there. The report document itself is completely defined using XAML. If you are a Silverlight or Windows Presentation Foundation developer, then you will be familiar with this markup language. Besides that, you can also use the built-in report designer to create the report document. The directory path should be registered in the web configuration file. In this scenario, I will put a report document which contains simple data listing. The data will be retrieved from the database. Add the database file. Then use DevForce to generate the entity model. Next, define the report data provider. Add a new class. I will name it with Northwind Report Data Provider. It should be inherited from Report Data Provider class. And also, there's a method which is need to be implemented. That's the one with report definition argument passed into it. All of the logic to retrieve data will be placed there. Next, initialize the report exporting service. Add a new class. I will name it Export Interceptor. To be included in probing mechanisms, this class should implement the iExportInterceptor interface. There are two methods which can be implemented. In this scenario, before export method is the best place because the initialization process must be done within the before export method. In this section, I will show you how to consume the reporting service and display it in Crosslight mobile apps. Create the report view model. It should be inherited from report view model base class. All of the required information about the report document should be specified in this view model, such as service URL, report URI, report title, export format, and export settings. Open the simple view model class. Add a command which will be used to launch the report viewer. Resolve the reporting service. And call the launch report method with the target report view model passed. Open the simple binding provider class. Add a binding for the launch report command. Now, I will show you the implementation of the report viewer on each platform. Create a report view controller. It should be inherited from UI report view controller class. Specify the related view model. The report view controller will act as the report viewer, and that's all you need to do. Run the project and you will get the report viewed smoothly on iOS platform. It must be the same with the one specified in the binding provider. Unlike iOS, you don't need to write additional code, since the viewer relies on the PDF viewer installed on the device. You can immediately run the project and you will get the report viewer on Android platform. You also don't need to write additional code in Windows Phone platform. Just run the project and you will get the report viewer running on Windows Phone platform. The report viewer relies on the PDF viewer built in to the Windows Phone. Same with Windows Phone. The report viewer also relies on the PDF viewer installed on each device. Run the project and the report will be viewed side by side using the built-in PDF viewer. In this video, you have learned how to configure the report server and view the report on each mobile platform using Crosslight. For more information about Crosslight, you can browse through our documentation at developer.intersoftpt.com or drop us an email at technical@intersoftpt.com. You can also find discussions related to Crosslight in our forums at intersoftpt.com/community/Crosslight. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.